Welcome, people.
It's a movie. Red carpet, the lights going through me. Anytime I arrive, it's the new me. Real diamonds on my neck, that's groovy. Flashing lights. All these things come to me. Dressing price. All my rings got weight to it. You feel that? You feel that? Hey, you heard that? Classic.
People, welcome. We are standing in the beautiful neighborhood of the historic Heights. So we're doing this again. We're at 1225 Ashland. Ashland is a historic contributing, what they call in the historic Heights or in any of the historic areas of the Heights area. And so since it's contributing, that means you have to preserve the exterior of the home, the frontage portion of it, anywhere from 25 to 35 feet back. Still falling in line with all their new updates and everything else that the historic preservation requires. And then doing that, you got to design a plan. Part of our plan is adding on square footage, which will keep this front portion, which looks like an ugly house now, but when we're finished with it, it'll look beautiful. The idea is to bring it back to its original state from when it was first built and give you the idea of what it looked like when it was built back in the 1930s. So yes, this home is that old, and we are T-Hopson, taking it down and going to do the exact same thing that you've seen us done with every other house before. Right now, this house is sitting at about 1,019 square feet, and we are taking it up to 2,700 square feet. Oh, actually 2,800 square feet. We'll still host 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. We're adding a study. Still get all your bells and whistles with the homes as we normally do, but this one is different. You'll see a big 2-story addition in the back. And after months of permitting and months of back and forth, we finally got you something to come check out. But before we get there, we like to take y'all through the rough stage. Come on, march with us. So as you enter the home, again, we're preserving the outer shell of the home. Now what we do on the inside is completely up to us. And in this case, we're actually custom building this for a particular home buyer. I want to thank the Blacks for allowing us to preview this home, build this home for them, and make this home what it is going to be for them and their family. Appreciate you guys going through that arduous process. You know, it's hard going back and forth with the historic district, but hey, we got through it. We're on. Come check out 1225 Ashland. We will preserve the front patio. Again, everything in line with keeping the patio, keeping the home as the way it looked, and it was built in 1928, I believe this house was. So you're gonna see a lot of old historic beauty of this home. Just keep marching with us. This house, I'm going to just pretty much, my man Clay is gonna put the design in. It's gonna show you the existing plan, and then we'll get you the proposed plan. As we enter in, you're entering into what may be called the living room, possibly slash family room, as they may have had it while they were living in it and enjoying it. As you keep coming back, we enter directly into the dining room. You see they have these beautiful historic archways, but you still have similar, you know, we're still gonna take it up where you can maximize the ceiling heights. These ceiling heights are about 8 foot. We'll take them up to, I believe this house will be 10 feet. So that's good. We'll also be raising the house. I didn't mention that while we were outside. It's about 1 foot off the ground. Customers want it to be about anywhere from 2.5 to 3 feet. 3 feet is the maximum we could do in the Heights area, but I think we have it about 2.5 so that we don't go over our historic preservation requirement of I believe it's no more than 31 inches of a ridge height, over eave height, excuse me. So, no, ridge height, excuse me. That is the very tip of the roof, not to exceed 31 feet from the ground. So, as you come in, dining room, kitchen area, very small, very quaint, but as you can see, the historic preservation of it, all the wood paneling, trim work, wood paneling, trim around the windows. Those windows are all wood. We'll have to preserve the wood windows. That's just part of it. Again, all the new windows that we put into the home will need to be wood as well. So these are things that we'll be doing to continue to further enhance bringing this home back to its glory. So as you see, this is a small kitchen. However, the Blacks designed a very beautiful, nice design kitchen, which I think it actually flips. We'll be opening up this wall here to the right, and all this becomes open. You got pantry area, you got, like I said, office area, you got dining area, you have, I believe there might be like a little game or like sit-in bedroom area down here on this floor. You also get the main primary bedroom, ensuite, etc. on this floor as well. So, but that will extend back as we enlarge this space, open up the home. Mind you, we won't expand the home widthwise in the first 25 to 30 feet of the home, but then as we venture back, as long as we stay within 15 feet cumulative side setback lines with at least 5 foot on each side, then we can start to widen the home from that aspect and then go up and continue to do what we need to do from there. So come on, this is kind of more like, maybe you could kind of consider it like a little den area. Maybe it was a partial type of a bedroom. You know, again, never know what to really call it. Just, you know, back having its old historic essence. You know, these rooms were, you know, these houses were so small, the people, the homeowners just made the best of them. So again, you see the wood paneling, all these things, some of these things preserved back in the day. This particular portion here looked to be used as maybe office / type library. It's a little dark in there, so it'll be a little harder to see, but we believe this was an add-on sometime in the maybe 1950s. So some portions of this addition does not have to stay. We'll recreate the roof so that it looks more in line with the historic addition, the historic preservation of the home. But because it was added on after the fact, those are certain tweaks that the historic preservation will allow you to kind of, you know, mimic, so that you can kind of get that good even feel. So you don't want to have this nice pitch roof with this slanted addition that doesn't really look right, even though it might have been added on as what they still call part of the historic process. Because it was still in the 1950s, it still doesn't, you know, gel well with the home. So they're giving us the opportunity to fix that and make that look a lot better. So as you come back here, this was probably more just like laundry. You know, you had another little bedroom back here. Be careful. This house has been sitting for quite some time. As you can see, spider webs, bugs. When we first came in, it was full of termites. We had to come in and kill all that. So you got a little half bathroom back here. In fact, this is the only bathroom in this home that was done. And as you can see, it kind of looks like a half bath, a shower. But again, you're talking only 1,000 square foot home, really small ceilings. This ceiling is maybe 6.5 feet maybe or so. So again, this portion back to this portion of the house will be completely demoed and change up with the new design and plan that we have. So this will be no more for sure. This area was probably, you know, more than likely, I can see where the water heater was. Not sure where washer and dryer connection was. This possibly could be somewhere up in here. Hard to see. But then again, these older homes, you know, they either did not have washer and dryers or they were tucked away in different areas. So from there, this former homeowner built a whole back patio, and all of these things will be demoed. There's a lizard, had me a little nervous, excuse me. But every time I go into these type of homes and these old school homes, I mean, you see all this brush and all this, like, I'm always looking down, always got to watch yourself. You know, a lot of people prefer off. It's a little cool out, so you don't have to worry too much about bugs. But anyway, all this stuff will be demoed. She had a nice little pond back here. Again, wall AC units, all this stuff is going to be created into what our new floor plan design will be. And yeah, this garage, they're actually going to, we will still demo the garage, but they'll be redoing the garage, and they will be adding a apartment on top of that garage. So they can rent it out, rent it to family members, and when family members come in town, you know, have them stay. But this whole garage and all this stuff will be completely cleared out, completely demoed. So this lot, I believe, is sitting at about 5,800 square feet, which is really good for the Heights area. If you get, like, you know, anything above 5,000, really 5,500 square feet, you're really doing well. Like 7,000, 9,000 square foot lots go tremendously high. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys, you know, we give you our back clips of the house as we continue to pan around. Just kind of show you what the back looks like. Again, this won't be seen anymore as we get to the new design. As you can see, we already have a new design home built next to us. Not so many houses on this street were contributing. T. Hobson is used to the Ashland Street area. We have built a brand new home with a historic intent in mind down the street. Sold well, did well. And those homeowners, or these homeowners are actually who, they seen that home, remembered us, and looked for us. They weren't ready to buy, I believe, at that time, but then were able to get back in line with us, found out we were still building, and asked us to do this home with them. So here we are. We're weeks away from starting, and we look forward to showing you guys what we can do when we take an old historic home and bring it back to its glory days. So again, thank you for marching with us. Edis, like, hit, subscribe, all them things. We appreciate it. Just want to continue to educate you guys, show you guys what the opportunities and possibilities are. I love it. I enjoy it. Never sleep on it. Take advantage of the opportunities when they present themselves. And it's just about positivity is what we're trying to do on this channel, and just show you guys, you know, other aspects of what we can do in the real estate business. So let us know. We got you. We appreciate you guys for watching. Come check us out. Like I said, like, subscribe. T. Hobson, we signing out. Peace.